Ever wondered where the gasoline that powers your car actually comes from? The answer isn't dinosaurs, but a story that starts hundreds of millions of years ago in the ancient oceans. Picture this. Earth's oceans are teeming with life, not giant sea monsters, but trillions of tiny plants and animals called plankton. When these little critters died, they didn't just disappear, their remains sank, carpeting the ocean floor in a thick organic layer. This is the very first ingredient for oil-engined life. Underwater landslides added to the mix. Layer after layer of this sediment piled up on top of the dead plankton. Without oxygen, the normal process of decay couldn't happen. It was like nature was pickling these ancient organisms, preserving their energy-rich bodies for millions of years. As more and more sediment piled on, the layers at the bottom got squeezed under immense pressure. Think of it like being at the bottom of a massive pile of books. We're talking about temperatures rising significantly, but not hot enough to just burn everything up. This combination of intense pressure and rising heat over millions of years worked like a cooker, chemically transforming the preserved organic matter into a thick, waxy substance called carrigan. The cooking process wasn't over. As the carrigan got buried even deeper, typically 2 to 5 kilometers below the surface, the heat cranked up even more. At these higher temperatures, the carrigan finally broke down and transformed into the liquid gold we know as crude oil. If it got even hotter, it would turn into natural gas. So, deep within the earth, inside layers of rock, nature was running its own underground refinery, turning ancient life into fuel. But oil doesn't just sit still. Being lighter than the water trapped in the surrounding rock, the newly formed oil and gas droplets started to move. Once a promising location is found, drilling rigs are set up to tap into these reservoirs and bring the oil to the surface. From there, it's sent to refineries to be turned into gasoline, diesel, jet fuel, plastics, and so much more. So the next time you fill up your tank, remember the incredible journey that fuel has been on. From tiny organisms in a prehistoric ocean, buried for millions of years, cooked by the Earth's heat and pressure, and finally trapped in underground rock, waiting to power our world. It's a process that takes eons to create, which makes you think about how we use it today. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed learning about the origins of oil, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into how our world works.